Morning, shippers, or whatever time it is when you watch this. Today I want to talk about time. One of the questions that I got on the webinar that I did recently was, how do you manage your time? And Todd Herman, who I started following recently, says that you don't manage time. Time is going to pass no matter what, right? You manage what you do with your time. And a lot of how I save time and manage time as a mostly solo entrepreneur is I use my website and I use the internet because that's what I do. And in the last year, there's been two projects that my wife and I have been working on. One is getting a puppy, and the other one is getting our yard re-landscaped. So naturally we turn to the web. Sorry about the sun on this one, by the way. I got to choose my routes better next time. But we went to the internet and we tried to find out information about these two topics. And by and large, the websites in those two industries are terrible. So we're trying to get information so that we can buy from people and learn about, the things we need to learn about to be informed consumers, and it's really hard. And especially with landscapers, landscapers are busy. They're booked months out, and so a lot of them have crap websites, or a lot of them have pretty websites that still don't give us the information that we wanted, and they're not really motivated to do anything about it because they're busy. They're like, I got all the business I want, what do I care? Well, as a frustrated consumer, I'm here to tell you that that's part of customer service. Is the first experience that people have with you is probably going to be your website. It's 2018. So not only can you give better customer service, but you can save time. Just yesterday, I got an inquiry from someone that basically said, hey, I don't have a budget, but we should talk and you should tell me what you do. I'm like, why would I do that? You just told me you don't have any money, so there's no value in that conversation for me. I don't know you. We're not friends. There's no other reason to hang out. So part of how you save time as a busy person who has all the work they want is you only want to talk to qualified leads. So if someone says to me that they want to work together, I send them to my website and I send them to an inquiry form to tell me about their project. Because then they're doing the work. If they're not willing to take the time to think about what it is they want to achieve, I already know. That's a waste of my time to talk to that person. So that's part of how I save time. And I'm almost around the block, and I want to keep this short. So what I want you to do is in the comments, whether it's on YouTube, Facebook, my blog, I want you to tell me what are some things that you do over and over again in your business. And I'm going to tell you how you could use the internet to save time doing that thing. Now, if I can spend 4 minutes walking around the block talking to myself in busy downtown Portland during commuting hour like a loon, you can leave me a comment and tell me what it is that you're doing over and over again, and we'll see what we can do about that. All right, so if you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. If you want to really get the good stuff, go to carveldigital.com/tools. Subscribe to my list. I will send you all the goodies I use to make my tech life easier, and you'll get notified of all these updates. All right, have a beautiful day.